It's evening time. I got this new cooking set to use for campfire cooking, and I'm gonna be just cooking up the steak right here. So stick around and you can see how good this is, I guess. Here it is. It's pretty cool because it has these little things right here, which you can open up and then attach anything. For example, this thing right here can be hooked onto there, and you can shut it and use this as a spatula. Then it has all kinds of stuff. So I got a chop board in here and some seasoning, and I'm gonna be trying to do this steak on here. Now I got this meat seasoned and stuff. I'm just gonna put on here. Oh, listen to that. It's been cooking now for probably close to 20-ish minutes, just really low heat. And so now I'm gonna cut it up, take it off the thing and cut it up.
It looks good.
So I got this, gonna put it together. This knife blade, hopefully without chopping my finger off. I already cut my finger right here, all the way down here, trying to break some wood up for the fire, so that was fun. I almost just cut myself right there. Okay, there we go. So now we got our knife. I'm gonna try to slice this open. Here we go. Oh yeah, this is a nice, very sharp knife. Let's see how well it is. Oh, look at that. Well done. That's just how I like it. All right, I'm gonna try a bite now. This is well done, and you can tell it was done over a campfire. It's real good. I'd give it maybe 8 out of 10. Also, this morning we're making pancakes, and I used the spatula for this, and it worked out pretty well. So yeah, I like the set. See, look at how well this thing works. And I'm doing this one-handed too. So pretty nice.